Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. If you are having this issue and you want to solve it, then this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, open your Instagram application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there on the top right, you will see three lines. Hit on that and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down to the last. There you will see an option of Help. Go through it and select Report a Problem. Now select Report Problem without checking and hit on the Include and Continue. Now from here, briefly describe about your issue that you want to link your Instagram with your TikTok profile and hit on the Send. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.